Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. This is a Hotpoint Aquarious WD440 washing machine. It doesn't have a lint filter on it, so I'm just going to have a look down below and see if it's possible to get into this basket filter here and the pump down below. The machine has been decommissioned, let's say, so what I'm going to do is just pull it off and have a look. But if you were doing it, you would take it off very carefully with the hose clip here. There's these plastic hose clips which you have to open quite carefully, but you can do it by sliding them sideways. Actually, I might just be able to do it by hand here on this one. So if you can see that clip there, if I just pull it sideways, yeah, that's all it does. Easier done. Oh, there we go. Oh, look, treasure. That's 20 pence. Excellent. Well worn. That's been in the machine for a while. Look at that. Smashy smashy. What else could be in that basket? So there's a little coin basket in this rubber thing, and yeah, there's coins in it. Excellent. So what are we up to so far? That's 10 pence, and another 2 pence, 12 pence. It's 32, if the sums are correct. And let's see in that basket there. No, there's nothing else down there. If the motor stopped working, you would have to take it apart here. Now, let's see. Because it's a smaller one, it's harder to open. So let's just try and open it this way with the screwdriver. Put the screwdriver in, open one side, and slide it sideways, and that gets it out. And then these clips, I like them. They're really simple. They just snap together like that. And to get them apart, you just have to lever them sideways, like that. That's all I did there. So let's check in here. Yeah, there's nothing more in that rubber. Same with this one here. Let's check it here. Push it sideways, so twist it out and then twist it sideways. And this will all go back together. I've done it on machines I was going to keep. That's the outlet hose, so you can check in there. Still some suds in this machine. There's the pump impeller blade in there, and that's really all you can do. There's a bit of juice coming out of it. Yuck. That's really all you can do with these. If they're not pumping out, just go in, check that coin basket, and as we saw, you got some coins, and then just keep going and see if you can check that you can get your finger in there. Maybe you can check that impeller will go around, and that's a good sign. If it'll go around, it means there's not a hair clip or something like that caught in it. So yeah, Hotpoint WD440 without the easy to reach coin basket. Sorry about all the noise in the background. They're going to asphalt my street this week. See you later. All the best.